Hi everyone, my name is Shilpi and welcome back to my channel. I know that I am uploading this video after such a long time because I was a little busy with my exams and all, but now I'm finally free. So this video is gonna be about new products that I've bought recently and I haven't tried them yet. So in this video I'm gonna try those products. So I always start with my brows, but sadly I do not have any eyebrow product, any new eyebrow product, because I already own a lot of eyebrow pencil, etc. and I do not want to hoard these things because it's not possible for one person to finish them all, and I do not want to create any wastage, so that's why I do not have it. Okay, I'm gonna be using today the dark brown one. The gray one is also nice. I think I should use the gray one. Yeah. So I'm going to use this thing today. I'm going to just brush them up a bit. Yes. So okay, let me just talk about this product a little bit so that you get an idea. Review भी हो जाएगा थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है? तो this is the product. You get three things. You get of course spoolie. इसके बिना तो brows करना बहुत ही बेकार है. Okay, this is the product. Oh my god, you. अच्छा ठीक है. This is the pencil. This is the pencil. और this is the sponge applicator. I really like this sponge वाला thing क्योंकि ट्राई करके देखो यार, तुम्हें खुद ही पता चल जाएगा मैं क्या बताऊँ इसमें. ठीक है, I'm gonna just brush them nicely. Going to brush them nicely. And first, what I like to do is use the pencil side. And what I like to do is I use this thing and I'm gonna just give them a little bit of shape. I know that they do not require any more shape, but right now we are going to just brush them nicely. So I'm going to use this sponge side. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas. And always start from your tails, okay? Because वो dark हो तो चल जाएगा, जो front वाला area थोड़ा सा light होता है ना, so that's why. I'm going to carve out my brows. Sorry. Today we are having pink wipes just because of this palette that I'm gonna be showing you right now. And just look at it. Just look at this beauty. Oh my god. Oh my god. ये कितना सुंदर लग रहा है ना. Okay. You won't believe कि मैंने 2 महीना वेट किया है इस पैलेट को यूज करने के लिए. Just because I had exam. When it arrived at my house and when I saw this beauty, I was blown away. Okay, I was like, oh my god, like these shimmers, I tell you, these are something else. Today only I swatched these shades and they were absolutely gorgeous. And right now and this swatched really nicely without the primer. If you do your makeup, you know that matte shades do not perform well without primer, etc. But they swatched so well, and I am really looking forward to use this palette on my eyelids. And I just don't want to ruin this palette now. I'm just like, yeah, Now I need to shut up. If you want, one quick tip, that if you want your eyeshadow to be super pigmented, then use this kind of brush. It's very like thin tip. So yeah, this is the one tip that I want to, you will see. मतलब जब मैं करूँगी ना तो you will get what I'm saying, because I do not know how to explain. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so the shade that I'm gonna be dipping is this one. With the same brush, I'm going to be using this shade right here. Now using this tiny fluffy brush, I'm going to take this hot pink shade. I'm gonna mix these two for my eyelids. Now I'm taking the orange shimmer . I think I want to add this shade also on my eyelids. So I'm taking this baby pink shimmer and I'm gonna apply it on the centers. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna apply some eyeliner. This is the new one. I haven't tried this before. So this is from Kalaba Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Oh, there's a sponge tip. I hope you can see it's a sponge tip. Let me give you a quick swatch. Okay, it's nice. Let's see how it performs on our eyes. Okay, so finally it's foundation time, and for foundation I have this NYX Total Control. I have heard good things about this foundation, so that's why I purchased it, and I ran out of my previous foundation, the matte pack one, so that's why I bought it, and let's see if I like it or not. I'm gonna take very little. Look at this. Okay. Oh, it matches me. So for concealer, we have this is Beauty One. ये मैंने एक दो बार use करा है, and I really like. Okay, so I'm gonna apply here and here. Very creamy, and I'm also gonna be applying it here. Now I'm going to blend this thing. Now to set my face and for contour, I'm going to be using this palette. This palette by NYX. It has so many shades to choose from. This one is a highlighting shade, like shimmer wala highlight, and all of these are matte. Okay, so for contour, I'm going to be using this shade because this one is cool tone. So कि अगर आपको shadows create करनी है अपने face पे तो आप cool tone वाला shade use करें. If you want that sun-kissed look, then use the warmer shade, the warmer browns. Okay, I have not set my face yet, so before that I want to apply some blush. So for blush, I'm going to be using this palette only because I want to use most of the shades of this palette. That's why. So I'm going to use this shade for my blush today. This one or this one. Maybe I think I want to mix both of these shades. This blush is going so well with this look. I'm gonna just make sure that it's blended nicely. And now it's time to set our face. So I am going to use the banana shade, the yellow undertone, because that's the shade which looks nice on my skin tones. And of course my under eyes. Same this side. We are not over yet because we have to do our lower lash line also. So I'm thinking of doing green. Should I do that? I think we should. I'm gonna take this green, this one. Now on a fluffier brush, I'm gonna take this shade Wake and Bake. I'm gonna try and blend this shade. So now it's time for mascara, and for that I'm using this new Maybelline Falsies mascara, and this is how the applicator looks like. This is a waterproof mascara. So let's see. First, I like to curl up my lashes before applying any mascara for that extra lift. So I'm going to quickly curl my lashes and I have a coat of mascara. Okay, so it's time for lashes. I'm gonna be applying these lashes. I bought this from Amazon. These are Calalis. I don't know how to pronounce that, but these are the styles that these are really nice. I have used them for quite a few times and I really enjoyed applying them. I applied this lipstick by Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD, and this is in the shade Flamingo. It's not my color. I do not like these kind of shades. I don't know why. I got this free with one of my order on Nykaa. So I haven't applied this lipstick in a while. So yeah, this is how it looks like on my face. I think this is going well with the pink theme. But the formula wise, it's really nice. Okay, it's so pigmented and it applied really beautifully. I really like the formula. It's very comfortable though. If you're kind of person who do not like to apply those liquid lipstick, you can definitely try these crayons out. Okay, it's time for highlighter. How can we forget that? So for highlighter, I'm gonna be using one shade from this palette only. I think I wanna use this shade. This shade will go nicely with my skin tone. So let's see how it works as a highlighter. यार let me know about your thoughts also ना. Give me your suggestions what else I should do on my channel next. What would you like to see on my channel? Talk to me. I will be more than happy. Now it's time for setting spray. You will be shocked that I have never tried any setting spray in my life. I have always been using rose water as my setting spray. So because I did not feel the need, because I'm not a मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता कि मुझे full day के लिए makeup चाहिए. Never. I do my makeup just for fun. Nothing else. It's just for. Okay, so the variant is this one is radiant finish. So मैंने review देखे थे तो many people were saying that it has glitters in it. So still I bought it because me being me, I want to try everything different in the market. Okay, funky colors, products like these. I am the first one to buy all of that. That's a separate thing कि मैं आगे use करूँगी कि नहीं, but I like to hold these kind of things जो थोड़े different हो, whether it is a clothing thing. So मुझे थोड़ा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि मेरा makeup हो चुका है and I do not want to ruin it with the glitter particles. So let's see. क्या लगता है, करना चाहिए? चलो देख लेते क्या हो गया. Okay. कैमरे पे तो अच्छा लग रहा है, अभी देखूंगी मैं भी इस पे कैसा लग रहा है in real life. Okay. Smell has a really weird smell. I guess सभी setting sprays में होती है वो. Moment of truth. Okay, I love it. Of course you cannot apply this on regular basis, on day-to-day basis, but in shadi etc it will look so bomb. Oh my goodness, you can see how glowy my skin looks right now. Okay, so that's it for today. I am so impressed with this look. This is something I never do. All pink I never do, but today for Jeffree Star I did it, and my lashes are coming off. I don't know why, because maybe काफी time बाद makeup कर रही हूँ, so that's why. I really liked this. So everything that I tried in this video was really nice. Apart from this one, I am not sure about this liner, but I have bought it, so I will definitely use it and try not to waste my money. But yeah, it's not that bad. I will be leaving all the details about all the products that I've used in this video, about the prices and from where I purchased and everything. And if any question you have in your mind you want to ask, you can definitely comment down below. मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि आप please comment करो मेरी वीडियो के नीचे and let me know what else you want to see in my video. And this was my first video जिसमें मैं बात कर रही हूँ. I hope you liked it and मेरे लिए काफ़ी cringy होगा ये वीडियो एडिट करना एंड देखना, but this is me. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me.